morning guys, we are in Koh Chang. We came here yesterday from Chiang Mai. It was very long trip. It was I think around 20 hours. We get the bus from Chiang Mai to Bangkok and from Bangkok mini one to Trat, and from Trat we took a ferry to Koh Chang, but it was worthy. We saved a lot. Instead of paying, I don't know, around $150 for the flights, we took this trip and it cost us just around $35 for a person, so it's very cheap. And right now we are in Quang Waterfalls. It should be some beautiful waterfall. You pay for the entrance 200 baht for the adults, which is around $5 I think. And we took the motorbike for 200 bahts as well, so it's again around $5. So we are going to explore the waterfall, so let's go. From Klong Plu we are going to explore Klong Jau waterfall, and just the road here was amazing. Lots of green sceneries, palm trees, very beautiful. It's in the north of the island and you have to pay here the entrance fee 40 baht per person, so it's much cheaper than in Klong Plu. So let's go to explore it. So this is the waterfall that we reached, and actually it's maybe the highest waterfall that you can reach. It's in the Klong Chau. I don't know if this is Klong Chau waterfall because there are many other smaller waterfalls. This is the most interesting one that we found. It's a little bit out of the hiking trail, so I don't know if it's Klong Chau, but we enjoyed on the top of the waterfall our time, and now we are going to the beach, maybe Lonely Beach or White Sand Beach, so see you there. We just came to Lonely Beach. You can find it as well as Siam Beach or Siam Resort or something like this, and it's really stunning. It's amazing beach, beautiful sand, beautiful sea, and not so many people, so we are going to enjoy it, to swim a little bit, so see you. Is trying subboard. She's trying to surf on the small waves. It's possible, but they are very small. It costs 250 for 1 hour. Good morning guys, from White Sand Beach in Koh Chang. I have to tell you one secret: if you are going to White Sand Beach on high tide, you won't find any place where to lay down because there is just the sea. So you have to go to the northeast part of the White Sand Beach to the top, and you will find a place where to lay down. You have to go to the White Sand Beach Resort. It's like steep way down. Best way I think is to go by motorbike, and you will go just to the right to the northeast part and you will find this beautiful place. Also don't forget, if you are looking for the fastest way and the best way how to learn how to edit travel videos or how to edit the videos in generally, I made a course for you where I put all my skills that I had to research and do testing for over 4 years, and you can get now 20% discount on the course. Discount code is here, and you can go, the link is here or in the description, so make sure to check it. And now just enjoy this beautiful view, and later on we will go also to the middle part of the white sand beach to see how it looks there. Up on our favorite lonely beach, because in the middle of the white sand beach it was very crowded, and we are enjoying the sunset. It's so beautiful and almost nobody. Actually today it's more people than yesterday, but it's still much better than white sand beach. Hey guys, today we ended up on Quantrill Beach, which is actually in front of our accommodation, so it's very close to us, just 5 minutes by walk, and it's very beautiful. But I will tell you one secret: if you want to enjoy like more privacy, you want to have the beach more for you, not so many people, you have to go to the left, to the southern part of the beach, and you will find this beautiful place. The water today is not so clear because there was a storm, and tomorrow we are traveling to Koh Chang Island, where we have beautiful villa for 3 nights, and then we will stay for 3 days more. And after that we are going to Sri Lanka. So if you have any ideas what we should visit in Sri Lanka, what we should see, just comment below. And to summarize our trip in Koh Chang, it was very beautiful island. It's quite small island. You can get all around the island with a motorbike in 1 day. I recommend to stay near Quantrill Beach because it's not so touristic. You have many street food options here, so you can eat very cheap, and the accommodation is also not so pricey as in white sand beach. So see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and also turn off the notification, and you will be notified when I upload the new video. So see you!